Last night, I watched several traders online here getting stopped out multiple times because they kept trading against this displacement right here. And I mean, they kept trying to short here, tried to short here, tried to short here, but you cannot. You're trading against the trend. Here's why I don't ever do that. You had this displacement. I mean, we had a break of structure here. I mean, you've got momentum that's building, you got aggression that's building. Real money is moving this, and this is why a lot of retail traders get trapped. They'll chase this. Sometimes they may enter this displacement candle here, and then they'll get stopped out right here on the pullback. Same thing here. They may have chased this top, got stopped out in this pullback, and again. So this happens because you get emotional when you're trading instead of just trading the market structure. You think you're missing out. You get this big green candle, and then you get in a trap, or you get in a big red candle, as you see, well, right here, and then you get in a trap there, and just wait, be patient. If you see a displacement up, let's look for longs predominantly. Wait for the structure to pull back, get an entry, and then go long. But you got to wait for the pullback, wait for your entry, and then do it. Same thing, if you get a long displacement down, look for shorts. But don't short the very end of it. Wait for the pullback, get a good entry. Don't take any counter trend trades, and always wait for confirmation. Don't just enter the trade because you think it's going to go. Wait for confirmation. So I'm going to zoom in here and show you what happened last night when I was watching this individual on stream. We had the displacement up. So now I know we're looking for longs. We're going to break structure up. We need a pullback. Look for the entry. And I have a specific entry model. I entered here, my take profit here. This whole time, this fellow was trying to short the market right here where I was entering to go long. And, my entry got me plus 157.50. He lost 1,600. That's why I say, just go for base hits every day. You don't have to have a home run. Just base hit a day, and it'll continue to add up. But I continued to watch that individual trying to short, and I mean, he did here, and then when we got this big red displacement down, he was thinking about trying to short again. And the way I can show you how to read structure, you knew this was not a reversal. We're just coming back to test where we broke above. Because you see we broke structure here. We're just retesting. Is that still there? Yes, we're going on up. And then we did. And I continued to watch some other individuals do the same thing. And they continued to get stopped out. But that's why you don't short the displacement. That's why you know what these higher time frames are giving you. And this is where I do most of my structure reading and charting is on the 5-minute, entry on the 2-minute. I don't trade the 30-second or the 1-minute. That's not where that's where the retail people are at, not the institutions. They are not trading on the 30-second or the 1-minute. So I want to trade with the institutions, not against them.